Hi guys, I'm doing a review of my two new fidget spinners. So the first one we're gonna look at today is the red fidget spinner. It looks more orange on camera, but it doesn't mean it's red. It doesn't mean that's still not red. It doesn't mean that's just red. I don't know. But anyways, now let's get to my Batman one. It's a blue Batman one. Sorry to say it, but it looks more blackish blue on camera, but it looks that way in real life, but it just looks more black on camera, so. Anyways. So yeah, I got like 3 of those so far, so have fun. Chin jump, yump.